What are we at? With the 20th today? February 20th, I think. Yeah. Good day forecast. Low winds. That should be good. Yeah, seen a few around here now. There we go. Hopefully I got the hook in. Hopefully I got the hook into them good enough. Sure I'll have no fly left by the time I get them in. See, I must have a decent size to them. No problem. Hopefully I can land it. Hook them in the right spot. They don't bite your freaking hook off or line up. It's got teeth, haven't they? Alright. There you can see the crab pattern in there. Yeah. I like that. I always love that.
Yeah.
Everybody, this is Richard from London. We ran into him there last week, early in the week, so hopefully get into this fish before you head home.
Yeah, thank you.
It's Thursday today, Saturday. Next cast after that last one. Wow. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow. Knuckle buster. Doesn't want to cooperate. Yeah. About 19 probably. Yeah. What is that? Little pompano. I lost a cuda too. Took my fly. You can get that on film. This guy did a little. Well, I lost my only pompano I had on there a little bit last week. Never got him to my fingers. Buggers. See? He's in my fingers. I just want a picture. That's all. Hold still, little guy. All right, little fella. Pseudo permit. That's a pretty little thing. Awesome. All right, gracias, amigo. Well, there you go. Nice trigger. Yeah, it looks like a good one. Yeah, he's a slab, man. Slab. He's friggin' big. Big, big. Slab. Whoa! Dude. Whoa! I gotta really squeeze hard. Look at that, John. Beauty. Looks like it's the whole model tiny bit. Okay. Beauty. Awesome stuff, man. Oh, they're there. Good spot, Johnny. Uh-oh. Came unglued. Oh, no, he's there. Better bones than we've been catching. There we go. There's more here, man. Get over here. Ew. Holy. My backing is out there a ways. Walking back from a break and John spots a school of bones right on the shore. It's not that big, but it's fighting good. Probably 25, 30 yards of my backing. Yeah. Oh, it's got a little bit of shoulders. All right. Hang on here. All right, no complaints there. Thanks, John, for the spot. Hey. Like, man, we got to get on this. Some nice, good sized ones in that school.
Yeah, that first one I saw must have been 3 or 4 pounds.
What do you got? Trigger? We got permit going by here. Shit, they're all small ones though. Not gonna worry about too much. Got a bone. All right, got our first bone. Okay, before you take it off, show me the fly. Hold it up so you can see the fly. No, sure. Just like hold it sideways, the fly in it. All right, something up. Awesome stuff.
Amazing.
Right on. Wherever it was, hit and just gone the other way. Oh, 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 oh. Going around you. That Mike's back. Oh, he got me about probably 30 yards in now. He's almost going back out to it again. Not quite. Wow, he hit hard. What a day, man. What a day. Bones, triggers, no permit yet. Fish. Thank you, sir. Muchas gracias, amigo.